So this pipe right here is called iron pipe size. So I had to use this iron pipe knuckle, and so it'd go through to there, and then we had to transfer it to packs, 1-inch packs. And then we got another iron pipe coupling to connect to that one. So he just turned on the water. That thing's kind of doing its little thing. That's a sprinkler valve. I don't know why they make them do that, but they do. So here it is, no leaks. So we dug this up, and we have a 3/4 inch, it's called an IPS, iron pipe size. It's basically, if you have iron pipe size, this is a 3/4 iron pipe size, and this is a 1-inch. So they're really close to the same size. One's 1-inch, one's 3/4. So I was having this problem with trying to get this thing to go back together. So I had to get this 3/4 inch iron pipe size connection, because the person that hooked this up used a 1-inch PEX, and he just crimped it right here. So I had to do 3/4 inch iron pipe size, and then transfer it to a 1-inch so that I could hook all this back together, because this is just tying in the sprinkler system. So it goes right there, that's their sprinkler valve system. So basically, this is when you run up to a house, then you have to use these compression fittings. And when it goes to PEX, it was just a royal pain to get all this stuff fixed. Took a long time to figure out what was going on here. But I'm not a plumber, so anyway, this is the size difference. It's almost the same size, a 1-inch PEX and a 3/4 iron pipe size. They're really close. So that can be kind of confusing when you're fixing a main water line when somebody's tapped into it, trying to figure out how to get all these connections to work. So if it's 3/4 iron pipe size, you got to get a 3/4 iron pipe size compression fitting. And if you want to come off of it with PEX, then you have to, with a 1-inch PEX, then you have to convert it to that. We used a stainless steel connection that goes right into these iron pipe fittings, these compression fittings, and that's how we ended up fixing it. It's on right now, and it's all good now. Got it all buried. All nice. No leaks.